This 2025 Highland Ridge Open Range 335 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 39 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 9, water heater, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, awning, TV, smoke detector, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front dinette, kitchen island, mid-bunk, rear bedroom, U-shaped kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.